Hello friends, today we will discuss a program in Java which explains about the constructor overloading. So we know that constructor is a method which is having the same name as the class name and it is used to initialize the class variables. So there are different types of constructors. One is default constructor, one is parameterized constructor. So here look at this. A constructor is a method which is having the same name as the class name and it is used to initialize the class variables. Okay. Now, so we have created a class box which will calculate the volume of the box. It's having three variables: length len, width wid, and height st. Look, I have declared the first constructor. It is called the default constructor because it initializes the variables to a default value. Okay, so if we are not passing any value, the length, width and height will acquire a value 10. Next, this is a constructor which is accepting a single data x and initializes all the variables to x. So it is called single parameterized constructor. Now there is another constructor. It is accepting multiple values x, y, z and initializes the length to x, width to y and height to z. As it is accepting multiple data, it is called multiple parameterized constructor. So this is the get data method. It is same as the constructor, but it is a manual method. Okay, it is used to same initialize the data variables. Now just look at the program. The same constructor box is doing three different types of work. The main work is initialize the variables, but it is accepting different types of data, means single data, multiple data, no data. So this is called overloading of constructor. Means one constructor, one name, which is doing multiple jobs. Now this is the volume method, which will return the volume of the box by multiplying the length, width and height. Now let's go to the box main class. Here the main method is there. Now we are creating one object b1, but we are not passing any value, so it calls the default constructor. And now another object b2, we are passing a value 50, so it will call the single parameterized constructor. Now another object b3 and it is accepting three values. That means we are passing 100, 200, 300. So it will call the multiple constructor, multi-constructor. Now this is another object b4. It is also first in the next phases it will call the get data method by passing three values 20, 30, 40. So for b4 object we'll go to get data method. Now let's calculate the volume by declaring data res equal to b1 dot volume, it will calculate the volume of the first box, and now just print it. In the same manner, now this is b2 volume for the second box. Now b3 dot volume for the third box, and b4 dot volume for the fourth box. Now let's go to the output channel to check the output. Okay, just see. Volume 1 is 1000, volume 2 is 125000, and volume 3 is 600000, and volume 4 is 24000. You can check the volumes, it will give the correct result. Now it's over, the program is over. Now thank you for watching. Just like, share and subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos regarding the programmings.